Hi, I'm Ed Hitchcock, the owner of Tailored Tackle, and I'm here with Take Me Fishing to teach you how to properly hold a spin casting combo. This is how to properly hold a spin casting rod and reel. Now you want to start with the reel on top, the rod on the bottom. This is the correct positioning, and then you take your dominant hand and you make an L, just like this. And you take this L and you wrap it around the grip down here, just like you're pulling a pinball machine. Now you can take your opposite hand and place it on the bottom of the rod to help guide your cast, because you're casting with your dominant hand. Now after your cast, you need to be reeling with your dominant hand, but you can't do it when it's like this. So what you gotta do is you gotta switch your hands now after your cast to your opposite hand holding the rod. This way you can take your dominant hand and reel in. Now some common mistakes I see are holding the spin casting rod and reel upside down. You're switching your hands incorrectly, and you're also going to be reeling backwards. This is going to lead to a lot of tangles and probably a lower performance in your casting and in your retrieving. Another common mistake I see is holding the rod up here. You don't want to do that because it's going to be rubbing up against this line here, and you're going to lose some fish, and you could also get a lot of tangles that way. So make sure you're making your L's right down here, holding your spin cast with your reel right on top. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the Take Me Fishing channel. For more helpful fishing tips, visit takemefishing.org.